Sige, 12:00 na rin pero mag-share lang ako ng ano, expressive properties of lines. I'll share a window. Then play. Lagyan ko na lang ng ano para hindi na ako magsasalita, magpapaliwanag nito. Lagyan ko na lang ng volume. Wait lang. Ay lumabas yung play.
Lines can create emotion or action in a work of art. Lines can be expressive. Okay, so how are lines expressive? Let's say you draw a line like this. What comes to mind? You might say, well, it's kind of boring. It's also very stable. Think about it. If you're going to build a house, you would want to build it on a nice level ground, not on something that's all bumpy, because the house might fall over. Okay, so a nice horizontal line is very important in a piece because it can give us a piece stability. It might be the horizon line in a landscape, or it might just be, say, if you're drawing an object like an apple. You know, I like to draw apples. Okay. And you want to set it on a table, so you might put a line in the background. It might be the line where the floor meets the ceiling. So although a plain old straight line can be kind of boring and give a very boring feel to a piece, it can also be a really stable piece. Now, a lot of times when I do this, I'll pick a student and ask them to come up and demonstrate how they think a line might express a feeling. And sometimes somebody might come up and do this. Okay, so what's the feeling that line expresses? You'd say, oh, it's happy. It's a happy face.
Medyo malabo sir yung audio, sir.
You might say, can you express?
Walang audio?
Medyo ano eh, parang parang masyadong deep. Hindi masyadong
Delayed?
Hindi po, parang siyang mahina to, parang sabog.
Parang di pa
Sabog
maintindihan, sir. Parang di
yung
maintindihan.
volume. Sige, hindi ko lalakasan yung volume. Sa akin, wala naman.
The line is exactly the same. It's just a line. What is triggering your response to these is symbol. We don't want to use symbols in this exercise. We just want to use
Negative talaga, sir.
Okay.
See if we can do this with quality of line.
So, hintayin lang natin.
Happy. If you were going to try to express a feeling of happiness just by drawing lines,
So, yung kanina yung kay Gio, yung spiral movement, di ba? So, syempre, kapag masaya ka, merong movement. Hindi ka timid, hindi ka still. Ayan. Sad, pababa. From active, hyper, low, papunta pababa, low. Angry. Ano kayang line to? Sa tingin nyo, ang angry. Paano natin ma-express sa pamamagitan lang ng linya ang galit?
Ano po, sir? Parang zigzag na scribble.
Scribble, walang curve, walang kurba? O parang
Parang
zigzag?
zigzag. Opo, parang zigzag.
Matatalas ang ano, no? Ang
edges.
may corner, may ano, may biglang pagbabago ng line. Tingnan natin. Ay, sorry. Bumalik. Yan na, angry. Sige na, play ka na. May konting curve din eh. Hala, basta ganyan na lang. Galit ako. Yan. Parang nagbubura ng something, ano. Nag-scratch. This one. May matalas. May biglang ano yan, buntot o sungay? Bisa mo naman mag-drawing. Linya na lang nga eh. So, ano ibig sabihin nito?
Parang buntot, sir.
Hindi, ano to? Iba't iba to, iba't iba. Ibig sabihin, for example, yung may sinasabi yung parang sharp, nakagawa ng point doon, sharp point. So, may sinasabi siya, may red, di ba? Parang danger. So, red signifies danger. Yan, stop, ganyan. Then dito sa curve, what do you think? Yung kurba pataas. Ito happy to eh. Ang interpretation ko dito happy. Siyempre ang happy face, 'di ba? Tumataas ang ano, yung both ends ng ano, both corners ng lips. Then dito naman, ito parang anong ibig sabihin nito? Yung ano, yung vertical, pababa, horizontal. Sa inyo, anong dating sa inyo ng gantong line?
Parang ano po, sir, yung fort sa castle.
Oh, pero hindi, pero sa feelings, sa pakiramdam, sa feelings, sa ano,
Ano po, matibay, ganun.
kasi parang may mga structure na ano no, na building
Yes po.
ano. It can be interpreted na buildings. Or parang sudden ano to eh, yung abrupt change sa akin. Katumbas din siya ng zigzag, pero mas worser sa zigzag to kasi may bangga eh. Ang zigzag nag-i-slant pa eh. Yan. Play. Yun, that's all.